This might be hard, you know. I have to not be scared about it.
Come. Don't be shy.
Is this your first time being painted live?
Being painted?
Yeah, live.
Yeah.
Interesting. It's the first for everybody. Do you ever talk to your friends about your first times
Like painting and stuff?
and other things?
Like yeah, one friend.
Only one.
Yeah.
I feel like me and all my friends have talked about our first times.
That's crazy.
That's part of bonding, isn't it?
I mean, I've had like the same best friend since like middle school, so that's kind of why.
Mm,
So yeah.
that's fair enough.
And then even like my other friends, like my secondary friends, I've known them since middle school too, because we all went to school together. So,
Yeah. I've moved around a lot, so
oh, that's probably why.
I mean, even then, like, there's only so many friends I've made since my first time. I
Mhm.
think I might have told my friends at the time, and then obviously, since I moved here, my new friends too. But mm,
So did it just not happen? Like it happened recently?
mm, relatively, when I was 18,
What the fuck?
so like 5 years ago,
How old are you?
23.
You're 23.
Yeah. How old are you?
I'm 22.
Mm,
So you said 18?
yeah. It was late, technically.
Yeah, I
'Cause-
guess not really.
yeah, not really, but like the age of consent in the UK was 16, isn't it?
Really?
Yeah. I don't,
What is the age of consent here?
probably 18. It was 16, but like, so like everyone was like, nah, man, when we turn 16, bro, it's gonna go off. That's what I was saying at least, but it did not for the longest time.
That's crazy.
And I didn't care, I don't think, but I only started
No,
caring.
it's 16 years old too.
Yeah?
That's yes, that's crazy. I did not know that.
That's wild. This nigga really singing. But nah, yeah, it took me time because, well, I don't even know, man. I was just pissed because people kept thinking I was already like in the streets like that.
So that's the thing. Like in like I had a boyfriend in middle school through like high school.
Hmm.
Well, like middle school just until up until like high school, and and then I also had a boyfriend uh like after like I broke up with my like middle school boyfriend. I had a boyfriend I started dating like junior year.
Mm.
So
What age was that?
um I don't remember what age. That was like my oh yeah, because your schooling is different than ours.
Yeah.
Like the second to last year of my like the senior year is my last year. So I was probably like 16, 17.
But, okay. That's a good age. I never had a girlfriend though, so it makes sense. Still never had a girlfriend, so
Really?
yeah, life
That's crazy.
yeah, has worked out like that.
Why?
Cause I move around a lot, so I've been
Oh,
moving around a lot
yeah.
my whole life. So I was a
That'll
kid, innit?
do it. Yeah, like that's like my ex, he lives in DC, and that's the reason like we stopped dating for like we're still super close and stuff.
Hmm.
But him just being so far away, it's just like ass. Like that shit is so ass.
Stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can't do long distance, man.
Yeah, that shit is ass. And then people be busy. So
Hmm. Low key hurts more. High key hurts more. Like, is it worse if like your man is like nearby, right? But you haven't linked in like 2 weeks, or
um,
long distance and you haven't seen each other in like 2 months.
I don't know. Like it's been we graduated 2020.
Yeah,
It's 2023.
yeah.
Damn, he been away for like 3 years now. So I'm like used to it. I see him like once every 4 months. Sometimes it'd be like once every 6 months because he played football. So three.
Interesting colors. I want to be more bold. Let me try something. Let me just try a thing. If I don't like it, then I don't like it. Let's be bold. Boom, I don't like it. Nice.
What?
The color I put, it's okay. I'm gonna go with it. The thing is, she doesn't look like you at all, but it's okay. Don't look. You have to
I
wait.
doesn't. I think it looks like me from this side of the canvas.
It's backwards.
Like the eyebrows, eyes. That's really all I can see. But
Yeah, it's close. Well, I feel like the spacing is all off. It might be a bit wider, but it's okay. It's for a filter. That's what we call it.
I
Artistic license.
feel like it looks like me.
Fingers
Maybe you
crossed.
just gotta put the skin tone down and everything.
Mm. Yeah, I haven't really done any skin. I'm trying to find a mid-tone I like because I should make things easier. I don't really know if I have a process like that because like every time I paint, I always have to figure it out,
What?
like what I'm doing. You know what I mean? I'm like, I've done this before, but like, what is this?
Yeah.
And that's probably
Like this.
because I got so used to painting in that style with the paintings over there on the wall, where I do the underpainting first. So like, I've got so much leeway because I've already done all the hard work in the underpainting. But when I'm doing like the colors live, oh, like Alla Prima, that's what it's called. Educate yourself there. Not you. I'm talking to them. But yeah, that one's a lot harder. Or this one's a lot harder because I mean, to be fair, that's because I'm putting pressure on myself. I don't care about the colors. It's all about the shapes. I can fix the colors later. That's the nice thing about oils. Okay,
Shit,
okay.
you know better than me.
I could teach you.
Definitely. I would love to learn how to paint.
Yeah, I should start a class one day. I probably will, to be fair.
Definitely. You should host a class in here. That would be fun.
It would be, but I don't know enough people that I trust to invite here,
Yeah.
or enough people that even want to come here. To be fair, I could always say, hey yo guys, class, but I don't know if everybody on my Instagram is in Michigan, so
Mm. But I'm pretty sure you have a big following in Michigan by now.
I don't go out enough. People need to know you, like personally, to come out. I might have like 5 people come.
I mean, but still, that's a 5 people show up.
That's scary.
Right, that's still a
That's
decent amount
scary.
of people. Like,
That's a lot of people.
yeah, it is. That is a lot of people. Shit, 5 people show up to learn how to crochet. You know how difficult that would be,
So I
bro.
should do a two-person class. You're saying, basically.
Uh, yeah, you could even do like 3, max do 4. I feel like 5 with
Oh,
4 people. I feel like each person could kind of like group up and help each other a little bit.
okay. Yeah, two twos.
Yeah,
Okay.
5 people is kind of like that odd person out. You gotta help them
All right.
extra, cause
Oh,
yeah, 5 is just too
that's if
many.
I help them.
Right.
I could just be here, just like, hey, you know what you're doing. You don't need me.
You
I'm just
got
giving you the
this,
space. You know what I mean? Yeah, I'm here for the vibes. You know what I mean? Just
man.
relax. But nah, I don't even know what I would offer as a class because there's so much you could teach.
Yeah.
What do you think people want to learn the most?
Just do like the basics.
So how to draw or how to paint?
Maybe how to like have them like sketch out something like basic, like maybe start with like fruit and then just show them how to, blend out maybe an orange and a yellow, what colors to use
How to paint?
to, huh?
How to paint then?
Yeah,
Okay.
like a 101 basics, and then you can have like intermediate and like advanced, you know?
Mm.
So like have them maybe and do like maybe do like a month package where the 5 people that you're teaching get to come back for 1 month, and every week you teach them something different on the same
Mm.
painting, you know?
Interesting.
Because I watch like videos of people like painting, and I really don't understand what they're doing when they say don't blend like your yellows with blacks, blend it with like browns or something. And I'm like, to like create shadow, and I'm just
Right,
confused
right.
beyond belief. Like that doesn't even make any sense.
Well, it's because you
Cause
don't really want to use black. Black flattens things.
yeah, but see that doesn't make sense. I blend all my stuff with
It
black,
does.
and maybe that's why my stuff looks flat.
It's because black itself as a color just like it just absorbs everything, so you
Yeah.
can't really see like different tones if you just mix it, and it makes it muddy a lot.
Yeah,
So
definitely. See, just
you
a
have
class
to,
like that.
yeah, how to mix your own black. That's easy, you know.
Yeah. Maybe just start with something basic like fruit, because then they can get color theory down and stuff.
Color theory. I have to get that down first myself.
I mean, and you have it down. Like you may not have like the actual like step by step down, but in practice you have it down.
Yeah, I have it on intuition at this point. That's fine.
Yeah.
So I don't listen in class. I'm like I know this already, but I don't need to listen. It's
I
not a
mean, you've
good
been
thing.
doing it for so long.
Yeah, I have to be fair. To be fair, but no, I'll think about it for sure.
Yeah, that'd be cool.
Sure. Would you take the class?
Yeah, I would.
Okay. So how much would you pay for a class like that? Because that's
Mm,
another conversation. You ready?
yeah,
All right, cool.
I think.
So let's go. Question number one. Let's start off easy since you want the one. That's easy. Who painted the Mona Lisa?
See, this is what we're not gonna do to me.
It's art trivia, man. What do you mean?
What do you mean?
That's the easiest question. Mm-mm. It's embarrassing. Oh no.
Cut the camera.
We're off to a bad start. Ugh. Take it down, take it down. I'm gonna give you 20 more seconds. I'm gonna start counting out loud at 10 seconds.
I don't know.
You can use your lifelines. You can use your lifelines.
Yeah, yeah, okay, I'll use the lifeline.
What one do you want to use?
Okay, what were the options again?
You
Phone
can
a friend.
phone a friend, skip, multiple choice, or clue. One of your three clues.
Skip.
Skip. Wow, on the first questions.
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm having a feeling that you're gonna win this one very easily.
Okay. Skip out of the way,
This
bet.
isn't even gonna be a real game here. It's
That's
gonna be
okay.
more of a okay, come on.
Oh,
Second
you know
one.
what? Let me just put the picture up here so I can pick from that. It'll be easier.
What picture?
The one I took of you. Aye, bro, get out of my way, man. Oh, I'm already on photos, that's why. Okay, never mind. Never mind, I can't do that. Cool. Skip. So that's 0 so far. Alright, cool. Normally it'd be -1 on a nice baby, but we're not doing that. So okay, being nice, because that's scary. Minus, oof, embarrassing.
What's the first one?
Question number 2. Okay, this one might be even worse. Pray for you. Which famous artist is known for cutting off a portion of his own ear?
Can I describe them? I don't know why I'm having brain fart.
I'll give you
Because
like
I know who he is.
you can say one name. I mean, his name is very easy. Like,
Oh, it's Vincent Van Gogh.
there you go.
Yeah.
See, perfect. Wow. And you didn't get the first one. I'm embarrassed. You want to know the answer to the
Yeah,
first one?
I do.
What?
It's so that's like really embarrassing.
You
That's
sound
like
like you
not
was
knowing
waiting
who the
for
Pope is.
it. Look, it was Da Vinci,
Ah,
Leonardo da Vinci. Come
that's
on,
crazy.
you knew this as well. That's crazy too.
You gotta cut that clip out of the.
Nah. I'm sorry. Nah, that's crazy.
Oh
First
my
question.
gosh.
Welcome, welcome. Shit. Come inside. Come. Don't be shy. Shit. Yeah. Everybody welcome in Tez's treehouse.